Hi YouTubers, fans, subscribers. Right now I want to thank you for watching. What I'm going to go ahead and do right now is recite my poem titled Break the Mold. So I was told in order to be heard, I had to talk about the AIDS patients, the crack babies, the young thugs rummaging through the streets, and the latest Facebook beef. They told me in order to get 100 likes, I had to wow the world by outcompeting the other girls and call myself the Queen Bee. It is believed that I cannot break the mold because to them, I'm just a piece of meat. But on the inside, my soul was screaming because that is not me. I can break the mold. Just give me an opportunity to enthuse the world without exposing too many of my womanly pearls to the societies that only label me as one of those girls. Now my hood isn't hood enough, and quite frankly my good isn't good enough. So I had to ask myself exactly who it was that I wanted to be. And then liberty arose, intellect arrived, and that beautiful reflection I just could not be. All of my cons were overshadowed by my pros, and all I'm saying is I can break the mold. In order to be deemed important, I had to be that girl wearing those inches and those little shorts, or be somebody like the president's daughter or some sort of geisha, not what they're calling a modern day thought, selling her soul to modern day trolls. But I had to oppose because for myself I see so much more. After all, it's for me that Jesus rose, and all I'm saying is I can break the mold. We are the procreation of kings and queens, made of the earth's bare minerals in a single man's dream. Call me absurd and cold, but all I'm saying is together we can break the mold. And regardless of their reports and what they ran back and told, you are the difference. You can break the mold. Even when your enemies try, and even when the struggles of life bring you to your knees and make you cry, you can break the mold. And I just want to thank you guys for liking, watching, sharing, and subscribing, as I know you guys are going to do, and you are all greatly appreciated. Once again, this poem is called Break the Mold.